Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how long does Instagram take to fix a problem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So depending on the problem that you are facing, the Instagram takes the corresponding time. Let's assume that your Instagram isn't running properly. Then what you can do is simply head over to the App Store and tap on, and on the search bar simply type in Instagram. Once you're inside here, check to see if the app is up to date or not. If it's not up to date, simply tap on update and that should fix the issue. And once that's done, if your problem is still not fixed, then what you need to do is tap on settings, then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Now all you gotta do is simply find the app Instagram. Then once you tap on that, tap on offload app. And what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app. And once that process is done, tap on delete app, which reinstalls the app. And once that's done, try again and that should fix the issue. So that's basically how long does Instagram take to fix the problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.